Hello, this is Ahmad, and today I'm going to be discussing the Agent Council. Agent Council is an AI mission control platform built on top of Alibaba Cloud Qwen API. The goal of this project is to move beyond the single agent AI workflow by allowing multiple specialized agents to collaborate together on complex mission and giving much better solution and outcome. The project is formed of 6 different pages or tabs. The mission control here is where the user is gonna type his prompt, type his mission, and see the magic being formed in front of his face. I'm gonna leave this tab to the end. I'm gonna talk about the agents tab. This is a specialized agent tab where where every agent have a name, have a role, have a confidence level, uh, have special dependencies, capabilities, and metric that affect the mission execution and how the result will be given. We have the mission history page where we can reopen a old mission, save mission, delete mission, and replay a mission. We have the reports tab where we can view a report, we can copy it or download it. And finally, we have a setting page. Here we're gonna insert our Qwen API key. Unfortunately, my API key is exhausted and is not working anymore. I tried to recharge my account with credits, but Alibaba lagged and gave me system error and didn't let me recharge. So unfortunately, I won't be able to run live missions on this demo, but I will show you the result and output of previous missions. This is where we put the API key. We can replace the API key. If there's no API key, the command layer will show that offline or missing API key and the dot will be red. And when you will place your API key to test the project, it will become green and it will show you online where you can run your prompts and you can run your missions. Okay, a little brief about the settings page. We have in clear cache, import, exporting for the settings. We have autosave, remember, theme, appearances for the software. Everything is working. And finally, also we have shortcuts. Alt Shift M for the mission, Alt Shift S for the settings, etc. So these are the settings page, and also I have developer options if you want to test them out for debugs. Okay, now let's talk about the mission control page. Mission control page, first of all, it shows you the mission configuration. What are the metrics of the mission? It should be a general mission, startup, product, whatever, the devs, and everything. Output, time horizon, budget, everything. When we try to launch a mission without giving a context, it will give you a mission understanding. It will give you also a mission pre-flight model. This show you that you cannot run a mission without the agent council understanding the exact point or purpose of the mission. It also give you a suggested examples that you can try. Let's try one example. When you type in the prompt, it gives you a mission complexity, how hard is the mission, and also it gives you a AI generated mission configuration for this exact mission. You can apply them, you can edit them, and also give you the mission understanding, a council understanding of the mission, and also the potential agents that will be participating in this mission. Sadly, when I launched the mission, I told you my API key is exhausted and the mission will not run. So let's see the output of the agent council and what it gives us. I will run a previous mission. Tell me exactly how as a software developer. Tell me how as a software developer I can keep up with the AI trends and what to learn completely so I can stay up to date and that I don't get left behind, and give me a plan. So we're asking for a plan. So let's open this entire old mission up, and here it shows us the involved agents that helps in this mission, the time of it, the process. We can view the full reports. Here again we can see the agents that participated. We can see the mission intelligence. Is there any conflict? What is the key decision? Did the mediator agent interfere, and all that stuff. Here it shows me again the response, what to do. It gives us a bullet point and section of what to do, practical steps, key contacts, timing, when there's date time or a specific time horizon, and watch out and things to watch out for. Here also there's a multiple specific tabs at the end of the mission execution. For example, the workflow, how many workflow did we have, how many parallel waves of workflow did we have. For example, the research agent and the risk critic agent, they were working together on this task. The work streams, what did the agents do, what are their confidence level, how did they give the answers, and all the details. You can click on a work stream to give you a drill down submission of this mission, and you can launch it. And we have the dialogue tab, what each agent said and how did they communicate with each other. The conflicts, if there is a conflict, it will showcase it here, but for this mission there was no conflict. And the final report, it shows you again the reports and all the information that you need, and the final recommendation. The timeline is showcased as chapter and storytelling. How did the mission, how did the Asian Council understand the mission, the preparation, the planning, the research, how did the mission progress move forward, all the way to the mission completion and the final report generation. And finally, the efficiency tab, where we see the details about the mission, the agents involved, what are their utilization level, what were their confidence level, the runtime, and everything. And finally, the network tab. It's a graph showcasing the communication and the workflow and the process that the agent passed through to resolve this mission. This was the Agent Council project. It was built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Framer Motion, and integrated directly with Alibaba Cloud's Dashscope One API. Rather than acting as a simple chatbot, Agent Society functions as an AI operating system that coordinates specialized agents through dynamic planning, parallel execution, conflict resolution, and transparent reporting. Thank you for watching.